Consider searching up into the night sky and seeing a sight so brilliant that it opponents the brightness of the sun and turns night into day. This isn't technology fiction but a likely fact that astronomers are eagerly awaiting. Betelgeuse, a red supergiant big name some 600 light-years away, can be on the verge of a supernova explosion. Such an occasion would be as soon as in a lifetime in joy, visible to the bare eye, and a profound second in the records of astronomy. Astrophysicists and astronomers all around the globe are eagerly ready. This pleasure stems from Betelgeuse's latest behavior, which indicates signs and symptoms that its lifespan may be coming to an end. The famous person's unusual dimming occasions and floor interest have fueled speculation of an approaching supernova. If Betelgeuse were to blow up, the light would be so vibrant that it is able to be seen at some point of the day, making it seem like we had a second sun. Astrophysicist Brian Cox explains that after Betelgeuse explodes, it shines brighter than the entire galaxy for some moments. Even weeks later, we might see the remnants of a supernova. The concept of a celebrity exploding so brightly that it may rival the sun isn't best interesting, however also humbling, reminding us of the extensive and unpredictable forces of our universe. Betelgeuse, a celebrity inside the constellation Orion, has been a target of intrigue and studies for astronomers for centuries. Its fantastic size and brightness make it one of the most seen stars inside the nighttime sky. Latest tendencies have delivered Betelgeuse into the spotlight of astronomical research. In late 2019 and early 2020, Betelgeuse skilled a dramatic decrease in brightness, an occasion now called the exceptional dimming. This surprising alternate led many to take a position that the famous person became about to blow up. Betelgeuse, a red supergiant famous person, confirmed signs and symptoms of instability and experienced a dramatic decrease in brightness in 2019 and 2020, known as the terrific dimming occasion. Those fluctuations fueled speculation that the megastar changed into about to explode. In the beginning, scientists thought the dimming signaled the famous person's closing efforts, but it turned into later attributed to big dust obscuring some of the superstar's mild. Betelgeuse is a big superstar, approximately 1,000 instances the dimensions of our Sun, and is inside the very last stages of its life cycle. In its core, nuclear fusion takes area, turning helium into heavier factors which include carbon and oxygen. This procedure releases good-sized amounts of electricity, causing the big name to amplify an agreement in cycles. These cycles can purpose dramatic changes in brightness as visible from Earth. Similarly to those natural cycles, Betelgeuse's instability is likewise because of its length and age. As a pink supergiant, Betelgeuse's lifetime is very quick as compared to smaller stars like our Sun. Our Sun has an estimated life of about 10 billion years, but Betelgeuse is estimated to be only a few million years old. That is due to the fact large stars burn through their nuclear gas an awful lot quicker. When Betelgeuse runs out of gasoline, it may now not guide gravity, causing a catastrophic disintegrate and explosion. The darkening of Betelgeuse become due to the interaction of a dust cloud and the cooling of the vicinity wherein the material became lost. Betelgeuse, which is 1,000 times the dimensions of our Sun, ejected a full-size quantity of fabric that brought about those observable changes. In March 2024, the Yankee Association of Variable Superstar Observers pronounced some other lower in Betelgeuse's brightness, prompting extra pleasure and research. The super-dimming event of 2019 to 2020 was mainly exciting for astronomers. To start with, there was full-size hypothesis that the dimming signaled the upcoming explosion of the star. However, in addition, observations showed that the decrease was because of big dirt ejected from the floor of the big name. This dirt cloud blocks some of Betelgeuse's mild, making it dimmer from Earth. Its miles assumed that the purpose of the dirt explosion is related to the convective currents of the megastar. Betelgeuse, like any stars, has convection currents that deliver electricity from its center to the floor. These currents can create massive swirling bubbles at the surface of the celebrity. While those bubbles burst, they can push material into area. Within the case of Betelgeuse, that ejected material formed a dirt cloud that temporarily blocks a number of the megastar's mild. Any other aspect influencing Betelgeuse's decline is its erratic surface hobby. Betelgeuse has huge convective cells on its surface that may create warm and cool spots. These temperature fluctuations can reason adjustments in the brightness of the famous person. For the duration of the splendid dimming, Betelgeuse experienced both dust ejection and cooling, which collectively caused a considerable lower in brightness as visible from Earth. Regardless of huge studies, the exact vicinity of Betelgeuse remains elusive. Its turbulent floor activity can create optical illusions, making it difficult to judge whether the star is nearing its give-up. Some theories recommend that Betelgeuse may be the end result of a merger among smaller stars, which might provide an explanation for its uncommon residences and fast rotation. Betelgeuse's rapid rotation is specifically uncommon for a pink supergiant. Most red supergiants rotate slowly, but Betelgeuse rotates plenty faster than predicted. One theory to explain this is that Betelgeuse is the result of a binary superstar system merger. On this scenario, smaller stars merge to shape the larger Betelgeuse, and the merger might have transferred angular momentum to the newly fashioned star, inflicting it to spin faster. This concept is supported by using observations of the chemical composition of Betelgeuse. Betelgeuse has greater nitrogen in its environment than ordinary purple supergiants. That is defined by way of the merger of stars, which might have jumbled together their cores and taken nitrogen-rich cloth to the floor. However, the binary famous person merger theory isn't always universally conventional. A few astronomers agree with that Betelgeuse's fast rotation may be because of its surface pastime. The convection cells on Betelgeuse's floor can create optical illusions that make the celebrity spin quicker than it certainly is. Betelgeuse has interested humans for millennia. Historic civilizations, which includes Egypt and Mesopotamia, revered the famous person for its brightness and length. The systematic look at Betelgeuse started in the 16th and 17th centuries with advances in telescope generation and endured into the 20th century with the development of spectroscopy and astrophotography. The earliest information of Betelgeuse come from historic Egypt and Mesopotamia, wherein the star turned into respected for its brightness and pudding purple color. In the one's historical cultures, Betelgeuse become often related to the gods and believed to have unique that means. For example, in historic Egypt, the god Betelgeuse changed into related to Osiris, the god of the afterlife, defying the conventions of astrophysics. At the same time as different comets and celestial bodies are influenced by way of gravitational forces, Oumuamua appears to chart its own course, unaffected via outside affects. Its current proximity, a mere stone's throw from Mars, provides layers of urgency to its enigmatic presence. The go-back of Oumuamua has sparked extreme interest and speculation around the sector. Its altered direction and mysterious conduct depart scientists scrambling for solutions. This is not just another cosmic occasion. It is a call for humanity to delve deeper into the mysteries of our universe. The enigmatic clues hidden within this celestial wanderer might also preserve the key to profound cosmic truths. Oumuamua's call, derived from Hawaiian origins, translates to scout or messenger from afar. True to its call, Oumuamua seems to be residing as much as its function as a cosmic messenger another time. But this time, its go-back is shrouded in even extra mystery and urgency. At some stage in its initial go-to, Oumuamua's elongated shape and rapid rotation captured the imagination of scientists and stargazers. Now, because it embarks on its enigmatic return journey, its behavior turns into even greater confounding. Its trajectory would not comply with the gravitational norms discovered in maximum celestial items. As an alternative, it maneuvers in patterns that defy our modern-day information of celestial mechanics. What makes this go-back in reality splendid are the brand-new observations. Gadgets have detected sporadic bursts of energy emanating from Oumuamua, such as a beacon flashing within the cosmic abyss. This conduct is unheard of amongst known natural space items. Moreover, alterations in its surface houses advocate outside influences or inner methods past our comprehension. The urgency of unraveling Oumuamua's mysteries can't be overstated. What message does it bring? Is it merely a weird space rock? Or does it maintain deeper secrets? As it traverses our sun gadget, its enigmatic presence beckons the brightest minds to decipher its enigmas. The cosmos is sending a clear message. Oumuamua's go-back is not just a celestial prevalence. It is an urgent cosmic puzzle stressful our undivided interest. Within the significant expanse of the cosmos, few objects have captivated humanity's attention like Oumuamua. First located in 2017, this interstellar tourist defied categorization and ignited a fervent debate within the medical community. Now, with its reappearance, the mystery deepens, prompting us to confront the baffling question: what exactly is Oumuamua? Initial observations of Oumuamua raised eyebrows among astronomers due to its elongated form, excessive velocity trajectory, and non-gravitational acceleration. Various natural reasons have been proposed, together with solar radiation pressure and comet-like outgassing, to account for its ordinary conduct. Solar radiation strain shows that particles emitted through the sun may want to push Oumuamua, causing it to boost up. Whilst this idea offers a attainable explanation, it does not absolutely account for Oumuamua's unique traits, along with its elongated shape and lack of a comet-like tail. Similarly, comet-like outgassing proposes that gas emissions from Oumuamua ought to propel it through area. However, the shortage of located gas emissions and the absence of usual comet functions solid doubt on this explanation. As natural explanations fall short, hypothesis turns to the tremendous. A few advocate that Oumuamua might be greater than only a rocky interloper. It may be in synthetic assemble or maybe a probe sent with the aid of an extraterrestrial civilization. The mysteries surrounding Oumuamua compel us to explore the possibilities with renewed interest and resolution. Its return serves as a reminder of the boundless wonders and unanswered questions that watch for us past the confines of our planet. The notion that Oumuamua might be artificially built has stirred the imaginations of both scientists and fans. Its irregular conduct and characteristics have led some to invest that it may be a synthetic probe dispatched from civilization to study our solar device. Its elongated form may serve a selected characteristic or reason, possibly functioning as an antenna or probe. The unorthodox acceleration it reveals, divergent from regarded herbal phenomena, indicates the capability presence of sensible manage or propulsion systems. While enjoyable, this theory is genuinely fascinating, it is critical to exercising caution. Believing within the extraterrestrial beginning of Oumuamua calls for stable evidence. It's not sufficient for the idea to be captivating. It should be supported by way of concrete proof. But the mere life of this idea underscores something intriguing about Oumuamua. It stays a puzzle that maintains to confound us. Scientists have yet to completely grasp its nature, leading them to explore numerous possibilities, even those as a ways fetched as alien origins. Yet, till substantiated proof emerges, it's premature to jump to conclusions. Oumuamua's enigmatic nature alone is enough to captivate our curiosity, such as a cryptic message from outer area that we are nevertheless deciphering. With Oumuamua's go back, there's a completely unique opportunity to gather extra data and probably uncover answers. However, early observations recommend that the thriller has simplest deepened. Its cutting-edge conduct and trajectory seem to differ barely from the ones located in 2017, imparting even extra unpredictable patterns.